waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Come for the trading, but stay for the fun. Happy trading, everyone. My name is Xauusd, and welcome to some live session with me today. So, what did we talk about yesterday? We talked about if we hold that 30 level, we would come up again. And what happened? We came all the way up to 5,180. So again, people who are saying like, oh, you should sell here, you should have done that. And, you know, if I did that, we would have been like 500 pips in drawdown, right? So, yeah, but it did come back again, and it did sweep out that Asia low that we were talking about from yesterday's live stream. That if price were to come down, it should come down and sweep this. So on the daily, I actually have everything that I need for me to now go up and become bullish again. If it doesn't, if it breaks my level here, my invalidation level here would be 70. If it comes down below 70, then I'm gonna be bearish again. And then we can look for sells. But for now, I'm looking for a flip, and then I would buy at the 20 or 30, right? First we need to come up back above 5,100. So that's the thing. I'm not just gonna get in for a sell here. It's too risky if we flip here. So let's see what happens. I hope you're doing well, everyone. Let's see here. Hello Maxi, hello Kaika. Not long time no seen, huh? It's been a minute. Down here now. Let's see what happens here. Hopefully we're not gonna come down to 75, because that would be really, really sad for buys. We did come down to 90. We got it all pretty much. Like we did get the M pattern, we did come down, we did sweep it, we did come down, touch the previous low here, we did sweep the Asia low. Like if institutions and banks, they want to, you know, get in, like they should get in now and we should see the pump, right? Up, up, up. Exactly, Fem. Exactly. I'm expecting this to come up. And I'm pretty much ready to take that buy once we you know, we come back up with 5,100, right? So I just need this, you know, liquidity sweep stuff to be over with. Hello, Johnny. Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna turn these levels green instead of red. Hope it was a little bit more easy for you guys to see. Like to come back up into this bearish family gap here. So are we done? Are we done with sweeping 5,000 and 5,100? Or is there more? How about from the top to the bottom? How does it look? Did we tap into the 0.618 level? 15 to... We tapped into the 50%. Yeah, that we did. We did tap into the 50%. What's up, Obits? Hey, Tabor. Let's gold. Let's gold, my friend. Let's gold. I'm sorry about yesterday, my friend. We were trying to buy this that eventually happened later. You can see here we came down to 5,110, right? But then after, look at that, after we went offline, what happened? 5,195, bro. What do you think today? Still long? If we reject from the 15-minute bearish family gap, then I will go. Then I will sell. But as long as we stay above 5,100, then I'm still bullish. Let's have another good day, Obits. Yeah, Raji, how was your first day yesterday? But what are you thinking? What are you thinking, my friend? Did I buy stop at 5,121 before I went to sleep? Oh, nice. And TP out at 5,175. Exactly what we talked about. You remember we talked about 70 and 80, bro? You remember that? See what we hit? 5,180 and 5,180 with the candle, and then 5,195 with the wick. Yes, sir. So guys, sometimes when I'm targeting a level, it might not happen during the stream, and you guys will blame me for hitting stop losses and all that, but you should know my bias will always be the same unless we break that major structure on the higher time frame. So unless we break 5,000 today, I'm still gonna be bullish, right? I'm still gonna be bullish. My invalidation level here is gonna be 75, and hopefully we can flip this. We can consolidate here a little bit, come up to the bearish family gap, then make it into an inverse family gap, and then come up. Because this would be a good level to where the institutions would start buying. You know what I mean? Like Hey Golden, nice to see you live stream. Hope you're doing well. Thank you for the follow. If you look at this, we came up. We came all the way up here to 5,200. What happened then? We created an M pattern, right? We created an M pattern. Look at that. Up, down, and now we just took out that low on the M pattern, taking all that liquidity just below here where people had their stop losses, right? And now it looks like we might be pulling a little bit back here. We had like a second bottom here, and we just swept that low here again from the American low. American low, that sounds so weird. The New York low. So now if we close bullish here, I would start to see this as an uptrend starting here, a reversed trend here coming into play. If we can close, guys, above my level here at 5,106, then I'm in for the buys, you know, because then we came down, we swept that M pattern, we grabbed that liquidity, institutions and market makers and banks, they went in. And then we're taking it back up to 5,200 because this now looks extremely bearish. So a lot of people will start selling and asking for the dump. But that could be the money play, right? That could be the money play. You got double bottom over here. You got that M pattern here that was rejected. And you also got that liquidity sweep below here. So I just need some bullish confirmation. I need some kind of bullish closure here, right? Bullish, but isn't the overall market bearish on one day? If you look here on the daily, you can see here we haven't broken that structure yet, bro. I know it seems so bearish. I know, but if you look here, if you zoom in, you can see here we're still holding up. The 20 moving average is still holding up. Yes, if we break this, I agree with you. It looks like we can come down here and make a lower low. I agree with you. But for now, it looks like a higher low, okay? It looks like a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then a higher low, right? So we didn't break the structure here. We just came down from where we topped here last time. And then we came down, we swept this daily fair value gap, and then we created a bullish order block. Came down, tapped into the 50% and the 0.618 level. So the 20 EMA is still holding up. If you go down to all the other time frames, what you see here is a 4-hour, really bearish. You see a 1-hour, really bearish. You see 30-minute, really bearish. You see 15-minute, kind of trying to become bullish, right? But the thing is, this is what the institutions and the banks, they want. This is what the market makers want, guys. Market makers want you to feel that I'm gonna sell everything now. This is the big dump. And I agree with you. If we take out 70, if we take out 50, like we come down, we close below 5,000, I will start selling. I will start being a bear again, right? But as long as we hold that 20 EMA, as long as we keep holding the daily structure, these are all noises on the lower time frame. And you can see here, this is my buy level. Look at this. My buy level is just here. As long as we reject 5,106, I cannot take a buy. But once we close above 5,106, I can buy up to 5,130 and 5,155. Then in the bearish fair value gap, if we reject from that bearish fair value gap, we can sell. But if we make it into an inverse fair value gap and we just go up, well, then all the retailers who were selling here, they will keep selling, and then they're gonna be taken out, right? Exactly like the buyers. So the buyers here, see this? Exactly the same play. Look at this. Market, I was saying to you guys, we were 5,130, 5,120, right? And I told you to buy. We hit stop losses yesterday and you were like, you know, it's okay. But what I was looking at actually happened, right? We came up to that 5,170, 5,180, and Tapper, he put that buy stop and he actually made that profit. So even though we came down, we swept those lows, we still went up there. So all these people here, they now went in for buys, and what happened? They got taken out. Then they tried one more time and they got taken out again. And now they are starting to sell. And that's when you can go up, right? That's how it works, guys. That's the manipulation of how the market works. But if we break 5,070, if we start making lower lows, then I will take sales, okay? I'm not gonna be, you know, just gonna completely be in denial or anything like that. For me, this was here, the liquidity sweep. It came down to the Asia low. Remember that Asia low from over here, guys? Remember that one? Look at the 4 hour. Go over here. Where did we sweep? We swept that Asia low from the Monday open, right? Right there. You see that? So the deed is done. The deed is done. Like, what has to happen has already happened. For me, from now on, we could go up. If we can hold 5,100 and start creating structure here, we could go up. Because you're now at the end of the range. You go out, you zoom out, you go to the 15 minute, you go over here. This is your level, right? This is your level. Correct? So, as long as we don't break this, you can either move up to the other side of the range and break this, or come up into the fair value gap and go down, or come up into the fair value gap and create an inversed fair value gap to continue up. Right? That's it. That's it. So if we come up to this 15-minute fair value gap and we reject it, yes, I will take sells with you guys. I admit it. I will take sells with you, okay? But if we can come up and fill that fair value gap and make an inversed fair value gap, so it's not becoming a bearish fair value gap, then I would like to take buys all the way up. So this is what I'm looking at, guys. So all we need... What's up, bro? Hey, FX. Nice to see you on live stream. Hey, Duke. Hey, Dylan. Will this be the last run of Goldie sweeping 5,000? I really hope so, Tabber. I'm really tired of all this manipulation bullshit. Hello, Leon. How's it going? So I think the banks and institution and the market makers, they made this bottom wick here. We came down, we retested it, created a double bottom. People start selling, and now we start creating structure to go up into the bearish fair value gap, right? So I'm gonna be buying, but I'm gonna wait for that confirmation above 5,100. Okay? So I want to see a little bit of consolidation here, and I want to see us start moving, okay? Right? We gotta hold that 75 level. Gotta hold 80. We gotta hold 90. We can sweep this as many times as it wants. You can come down here 5,090, 5,100, 5,090, 5,100, 5,110. It's all good. As long as we create some bullish structure going up above 5,106. Okay? So I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting, guys. I'm waiting patiently. What you have here is on the lower time frame, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So we are bearish here. I 100% agree. But I'm also trying to tell you, we are at the Asia low. And what you can see now here is that institutions are moving in. Okay? They are moving in because everybody is selling now. Everybody's selling now. Everybody's selling now because they just saw this shit. They just saw this and they be like, okay, this is it. Right? So if you get a bullish closure above my buying level, I gotta buy. That's how it is. Like, I gotta do it. I have to do it. You understand my reasoning, guys? You understand? I don't want to be trapped in this sell nonsense. They tried to do it yesterday, and we hit some stop losses on the stream. We did. I agree, we did hit stop losses on the stream. But do you see the vision that I had that we would go up to 5,180? It happened. It just happened after we went offline. We went offline here at 6 p.m. Guys, remember this? We went 6:30, 6:45, something like this, and then look what happened. We tapped 5,109. What happened then? Boom. Straight up to all my TPs. So, again, M pattern, taking all the stop losses, starting to create structure, closure above 106, I'm gonna get in. I just hope this is the last sweep of the goal at 5,000. Yeah. I really hope so too. I really hope so too. It should start now. It should start now, bro. It really should start now. Okay, guys. Let's see here. Let's see here. Oops. Okay. Okay, guys, I have buy stop here. Let me know. I'm in. Running 20 pips. Okay, running 40 pips. Are you in? 50 pips. Get shit on, brother. Hey, Glitter, thank you so much for the follow. Nice to see you live stream. Hope you're doing well. Okay, we got spiked in here. Let's see if we can come up to the top wick here. Here, straight up here. Okay. We can come up to 23. I would like 30. 30. 29. Can I do that? 29, guys. I will say 29. 28.5. 28.5, okay? 28.5. Okay, so the stop loss is 200 pips. The TP is 285 pips. Okay, 285 pips. So it's still better risk to reward. All right. Leon, did you get in? M7, you in? Tabo, you in? Let me know. See, guys, if we can come up and tap the midpoint here. I actually got in at 5,094. What was your confirmation, bro? What was your confirmation? Did you see something on the lower time frame? Or you just didn't trust that they would come down below 5,075? Here we go. Dylan. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Just ignore all the noise on the lower time frame. Ignore all the noise. If it closes here and then has to make another candle, doesn't matter. I'm not gonna move my stop loss. Not gonna trail. I'm gonna wait for my TP at the 28.5. Okay. 28.5 has to come up to tap into that fair value gap or at least reject from it. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. So if this is truly where it bottoms out, that is the institutions, the banks, the market makers coming into the market, pushing price up. All these retailers who were selling here, they keep selling here. And then price goes all the way up, smash through their face, right? And if it comes up into the bearish fair value gap on the 15-minute, then that 15-minute will show whether we're gonna have an inverse fair value gap and come straight down again, or if this is gonna continue, right? So we just gotta wait here. We're just gonna see. I'm gonna ignore this. Guys. If it comes down again, it's okay. I have my stop loss down here. Let's see. Your Tabu, you're still in at 94, right? I think I will take a... If it flips, I'll take a second layer here. Let's see. Should I take a second layer on 5,100? I might do it, guys. Yeah, I think I'm gonna trail my stop loss to 98 instead, and then I'm gonna add a second position here. I added a second position here. I got tapped up. I got spiked up, guys. I have 2 positions now. I got spiked up. I didn't get 100. I wanted 98. I got 100. So yeah, I have 2 positions now. I have 2 positions, and I've trailed it a little bit lower here. I trailed a little bit lower because if price comes down, wicks out one more time, it's okay. We're gonna hold it. So let's see here. I'm just gonna wait. Gonna add one more. Okay, let's see. Tapped again. There we go. But we trailed it. You come up from here. Got a second wick here. Okay, cool. Can you come up from there? Let's see. Let's see. Okay, it looks like it's holding it. So I trail it to 98 instead. And I have 2 positions. Actually, I'm gonna trail it to 96 instead. Sorry, I'm gonna trail it to 96. 96 is right here. Oh fuck. Oh, we hit it. All these wicks. I hit stop loss, guys. I hit stop loss. I hit stop loss. But I'm just gonna add one more. We came down, we tapped it one more time. I'm still gonna add it. I don't think this is... I think this is just taking liquidity. Gonna go down to 5,063, sadly. You think so? I don't think so. Honestly, like, I think it's gonna hold this level. Tapping again. Let's see. Is it really gonna go down there? But why though? Why though? Let's see. Tapped 85. We swept that Asia low. I don't see why we should come down again. Tabo, you were in at 94 or what? What is your stop loss? What is your stop loss? No way. The fuck? Did we miss some? I don't know, bro. I don't know if it's gonna come down to sweep this as well. Good thing we had stop loss. Damn. I stop loss at 5,080. Hit. It is what it. Yeah. I wonder what they're cooking. Iran deputy. Iran is ready to abandon its nuclear program on the condition that the United States is lucrative of. Yeah, and then tomorrow and later today they're gonna say, "Oh, the war's not over." They change the headlines all the time. They change the headline all the time. Wow. I wonder what this is about, though. I wonder what this is about. Sky, what, okay, explain to me, what is this? Tell me, why? Tell me, why is this going down, bro? Other than you're saying that the Iran war is over. They literally said 2 days ago that it was over, and then they tweeted like right after, oh, it's not over anyway, and then gold went all the way up to 5,200. Mate, you tell us, you're the pro. I'm not pro at seeing like tweets from Trump saying, "Arr!" and then suddenly price goes up, and then he says something else, and then it goes down, and then suddenly there's war, suddenly there's no war, suddenly there's war, and then there's no war. I'm buying gold long term, but I don't understand why we should come down below 5,000 again. We just had that sweep. We just had that sweep below 5,000. Because war is unpredictable, markets are unpredictable, and trading anything can... Yeah, exactly, Sky. That's why we had the stop loss there. That's why we had the stop loss. To protect our capital, right? To protect our capital. Let's see. Tap down 70. I hit my BE from that trade as well. So annoying. So what are we waiting for here? Let's see if there's anything indicating lower. Go to the daily. Let's mark from the high to the low. Let's see where the 0.3% is at. So we did tap the 0.3, we tapped the 38.20% here. And also we went into the 20 EMA. I thought the 20 EMA would be holding this low, to be honest. Always the same thing, my man. Every time it's a big sell-off, price doesn't recover straight away. Usually take 3 to 5 days, where price almost touches the lowest low and comes back up. Maximum down to 5,015 and then up. Why are you annoyed? The market isn't supposed to annoy you. You're the one annoying yourself. What do you mean? I'm not annoyed. It's just annoying that we can make money for the people here on this stream at the moment. Because usually, bro, I just take some pips and then these people go out and they have made money. But the recent weeks we haven't been able to make money because the market just moves. The market just moves in an unpredictable way. Yesterday we were stuck here. Look at this. This was my trade. I'll show you. Here, my trade was TB here at 5,180, right? That happened after we went offline from the Twitch stream. So it happened, but it just happened after the Twitch stream. Right now I'm looking at an M pattern here. You can see here on the let's go to the 1 hour instead here. You can see here what I was seeing was that we had an M pattern. You come up here, come down here, come down, you sweep that liquidity, right? But we already did that before the unemployment claims already happened. You see here we came down, we tapped here. So I was like, okay, we must be done with that sweep, right? And then we come down one more time and I didn't take any trades. Second time we came down. But then when this happened, when we had double bottom here, that's when I took my trade. And then we came down one more time. We swept that low again, and now we're coming down again. It's honestly, it's very, very unpredictable. And then people can tell me like, we should just sell, bro. Just sell. Yeah. Good. Just sell. And then it comes down like 200 pips, and then it goes up again like 1,000 pips. We haven't taken out the low yet, guys. Not at all. Still ain't shit in my pants. You still in, Peter? We get this sweep here at 60, and then we come up again. Now we are here. Let's do one more time. The 4-hour flip is just here at the 200. See. Bro, you don't have to do caps in order for me to read your message. I already read your message, bro. But there's no... I'm not gonna read your message if you're gonna be like rude or anything like that. There's no reason to do caps. What do you mean with you don't even know that other people have made money in the past days? I also made money the past days, bro. I bought with my VIP at 5,040, took it all the way up to 5,200 here. And then it went down here, we just hit B here after we took TP1 and TP2. So I also made money in the past. The only thing I'm saying is that I don't understand why we needed to come down one more time when we have such tension and you can see the oil prices. Dark, thank you for the subscription, man.
Stark21 subbed and joined the Obits fam.
Thank you so much, Stark. Thank you so much for the subscription. We can see the oil prices skyrocketing. You see that? You see the 10-year yield. You can see how we are plummeting, right? You can see how DXY is pushing up, but it's not taking out the high. It's not taking out the 100 level. You see that the unemployment claims didn't do freaking shit. It didn't do anything. Look at this. We had 213 and we had a forecast of 215, which means that USD is not really better than expected. It's literally just 2k from, like, it's not even green. It's not showing anything. Didn't do shit. So, like, I was thinking, okay, we get a sweep below 5,100. We come down to the 20 EMA. We have the RSI around the 50 level, so we're about to flip it, right? Then when we come up to my buy zone, I can buy. I just need to wait for that sweep. We got that sweep, we come up again, and I take a buy. Okay? There's nothing to be rude about, bro. If the analyzing is not correct for you and you don't like it, well, read this again. Again, bro. Not financial advice, okay? Not financial advice, alright? I just do... See? Not financial advice. All content is provided for opinion purposes only. Trading involves risk. Only risk what you can afford to lose. Right? These are my opinions. I take the trades that I want. Now you can say, oh, it's going down. Yeah, we went down to 61 and now we're going up again here to 91. Like, it's all bullshit, bro. It's all bullshit. This probably goes all the way back to 5,200 now. And then we could have bought anyway. Just need a bigger stop loss. Like... If you don't like my trading, you don't have to be here. I just share my opinion and what I take, and if you don't want to take my trade, don't take it. Like Stark, he understands it, right? My VIP, he understands it. It's like, I'm not forcing you to do anything. I give you the pistol. It's up to you if you want to pull the trigger, man. I'm not a financial advisor. I never claim to be. I'm just saying that I'm buying gold. And I see gold go to 8,500. Maybe we come down to 5,000 again. Maybe we sweep 4,900 or 4,800. I'm still gonna buy gold. So, it's up to you what you want to do. trying to see here, guys, what is causing this. We swept this low. Hey, how's it going? Hey, 3 miles. Right now we're trying to see here if we can hold up here. We can start going up again. Orbit, shout out Fidel from putting me on to your stream. Fidel, who is Fidel, bro? Who is Fidel? Fiddlesticks from League of Legends. Let's look at the RSI, guys. Let's look at the RSI. Back at 5,080, guys. Literally just gonna wait this one out. See if we can hold this level here again. And back up again. Got a lot of sweeps here. Got a lot of sweeps, but also you can see long candles, right? Long candlesticks. Really long wicks here. Yeah. No, we're not 4. We are not 4. Don't mind them, bro. Nah. I don't really. I don't, my friend. I don't. Just find here. 5,080. I want to see if we can come back up here again, guys. If we don't come back up, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna sell it down, of course. Just see here. Okay, we're approaching 100. We need to see if we can come up above it. How's silver looking? Silver is still at 81. Still holding up, guys. Still holding up. Not plummeting soon. It's not plummeting. Totally plummeting. Hold. Hold on, guys. Just trying to figure out what's causing this. If the banks are still accumulating here, or if they have like a limit order at 5,000. One more. They already took it from 5,000. You see here. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the subscription. Just wait it out here. Give me a second, guys.
doesn't matter where we go and destination unknown. I don't care where the motor stops, 'cause when I want it, then I want it, yeah, I want it, oh, I want
Okay, guys.
around, where's the people
Breaking.
I want a taste of the good.
You are breaking that.
Hit me with it right now, in it. 'Cause when I want it, then I want it, yeah, I want it, oh, I want it, let's go. And I won't look back, yeah, I don't care about the back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here, oh, yeah. Maybe I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out.
We're holding this.
Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. Said, yeah, Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. It's 2 a.m. when we close the bar, but we're in the get-go. Next place, give me someone. I could dance with you beneath the stars, 'cause when I want it, then I want it, yeah, I want you. Everything stops when you move like that, and I wanna get in close to you. It's what I'm gonna do, 'cause right now I'm in it. I feel kinda dizzy when I'm staring at you.
But it doesn't look like... It looks like the volume is fading out there. It's just... So I'm using, guys, if you don't know it, I'm using Trading Light, where you can see the volume and the absorption levels. And it just seems like they're absorbing, like... They're taking the sellers down in order to buy up, to get better buying levels. But it seems like they're absorbing seller stop losses. And then they want to absorb the buyer stop losses right after. So I don't like it. I think honestly it's just gonna come back up above that 5,100 level.
Everything stops when you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move like that, and I wanna get in close to you. It's what I'm gonna do, 'cause right now I'm in it. I don't care about the back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here, oh.
Yeah. Not convinced. Not convinced.
Get shit on, brother.
It's did we lose the connection? Can people tell me if we lost the connection? It's coming up now again. I knew it. I knew it. It's coming right back up again there. It's... Hold on. Guys, be ready. If we come back up above 5,100, then I'm ready to take it. This is all just liquidation candles. Liquidity being taken. Sells all day long, man. Today, falling knife. No, no, no. A few minutes ago. Okay, now. Damn, Goldie just took my stop loss. Yep. That's what I'm saying, Sabo. Like, it's... I think they want more liquidity. They want more liquidity. Buy stop. Yeah, I'm gonna have a buy stop. I'm gonna have a buy stop. I'm just trying to figure out when the absorption is done. I'm using Trading Light, guys. It's a paid subscription where you can see, you know, the bookmakers like buy positions and like their absorption levels and where they will pivot, stuff like that. It's. But I don't understand why they wanted to put it down to 60. 60, 72, and then 84. But it's creating higher highs. You see that? See? This is a low. Then you have like the higher low here, and then if you can start making higher highs on the lower time frame, probably now we're starting to make something on the 1 minute and the 5 minute. Yeah, see this as well. Iran is increasingly using drones instead of missiles in attack on the Gulf. The war's not done at all. What are you talking about? It's not done at all. Nowadays with Goldie, you need a bigger capital, even 0.01. Yeah, next to no. Yeah, 5. Yeah, exactly. Tabur. Exactly. Trade. You can sell it all day long if you want. I'm not gonna be a part of it. very small candles. Like look at these candles, it's very small. Really, really small. Starts running now. Then it can be bigger, of course. Future shop. Okay. Not convinced, guys. I'm not convinced. I want to take the cells with you guys, but I'm just not. It doesn't look like a good selling opportunity for me. If we wanted to get the cell, we should have gotten the cell after the engulfing candle here. But I was not live at that time.
I'm getting tired of your bullshit. I'm tired of your voice. I'm getting tired of the way you leave me hanging with no choice. If you would ask me long ago.
They're gonna post other Twitter comments, and they, you know, Trump is gonna come out and say, "Oh, there's war again," and then gold is gonna fly up again. Like, it's all just manipulation and liquidation of sellers and buyers. Same thing all the time. But we just need more capital this time. It's insane how, like, a one candle can take $100 on a 0.01 lot size in no time. Okay. 1 minute time frame, need to take 5,095 out to next higher high. Turning to buys now. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, this needs to come up to this. Got a double top here on the 15 minute, but I want to see here because this no longer looks like lower lows, you know? Buy stop 5,100, what do you think? 5,100, I'm more like 95. 95, 96, I think 96. 96, a little bit better risk to reward. I'm gonna have it here, guys. I'm gonna have it here once we break out. We got a double top here, so if price wants to continue down, that's from the double top. If you want to have a, you know, if you want to move, you need to, you know, break out from here, right? So, but how am I gonna put this stop loss though? Crazy. Thanks. That's insane. Really need capital for this, guys. I hope there's nobody out there with $100 because it's just insane. I'm gonna put buy stop here, guys. 5,096. We're still holding that 75 level. It's so sad we came down and hit BE and VIP. Yeah. Gotta try to keep it a little bit tight there, but really would like it to come up and hit that 28 level and then come back up to 50 if it's possible, but I don't know if it's possible. It might just come up to the 15-minute bearish family gap here and then just come down again. That is at, yeah, 37, right? Okay, So that's gonna be my buy stop. That's gonna be my buy stop. That's gonna be my buy stop, guys. Gonna be my buy stop. And if you break this and start coming down, then gotta get in for the sells. To put buy limit at 5,096. Yes, correct, Rosie. Correct. Guys, fuck all the haters. Just have a good time, okay? Have a good time. Buy stop. Yes, exactly. Yeah, buy stop. As long as we don't break the low and create a lower low here, then what you have here is like a lower low, then lower high going into a higher high, and then lower high, higher low, higher high, right? Or double top, equal high, right? We gotta see this, how this 15 is gonna move. If it's gonna continue here. Okay, we gotta see if it holds, guys. We have buy stop, guys. We're not in any... I need to put it because people are gonna go crazy. Not in any trades, okay? Not in any trades. Not in any trades. Buy stop only if breakout. Weird for gold doing wartime. Yeah, I thought they were done with the liquidity, but they're still trying to capitalize on people trying to buy gold because it's there's war. That's why it's called a buy stop. Stop the war, bro. That's why. Okay, 15 just opened here. Yo, greetings from Romania here. Let's make some profits today. How you feeling, top trader? Yo, Cherichu, how you doing, man? We have a buy stop here above 96. You can see my buy zone here is at 90, but we keep rejecting it. We made a double top here on 15 minute. I'm just waiting for this to be done here. Having finished the on the lower time frame, you had lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and you keep going down in the downtrend, right? But now on the 15 minute, what you can see here is that you bottom out here, and then you started making higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and then you didn't break it here, right? Which means this is gonna be your next one. So I think this is gonna be bottom out now, and now we're gonna have a retest into that 5,137 fair value gap. Whether it's gonna be, you know, a big rejection from there or it's gonna keep going up, I don't know. Buy stop active? No. Buy stop is at 96. Jan, 96. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Buy stop is active. Yeah. You should put buy stop. Everybody put buy stop. If it breaks out of these double top here on the 15, of course you're in it. You're in it, right? You're in it. Okay. So what we want to do now is we want to come back here and take this one out, right? But if you keep rejecting, well, that means you are creating lower lows. Your buy stop was my entry earlier, and gold just took my stop loss. Yeah, it is what it is, man. But you can see here now on the 15 minute as well. See, you didn't break. Okay, guys, you ready? Let's take it up again. I want to give you as many pips as absolutely possible. If you can come up to that 15 minute bearish fair value gap, it'll be amazing, right? So I put TP at 28. We're not gonna trail any stop loss or anything before we at least take out this top wick. Okay, all right. So let's see here. Let's see if we can do it. Anyways, buy stop activated. Your buy stop or my buy stop? My buy stop I haven't activated yet. My buy stop is 96. You still need to take out this double top, bro. Still need to check out this double top. I'm gonna make it bigger so you guys can see it. I think it's too small for you. Boom. There you go. Now you can read it. So yes, if price comes up, the buy stop will be activated, okay? You need serious money to do this, guys. If you cannot do it with small money, it's totally fine. I understand. This is not gonna be easy, okay? It's not gonna be easy with small capital. No, your buy stop activated means I set my... Ah, okay. That's what you mean. Okay. Then just say buy stop set. Buy stop set. That's good too, Tupper. Okay, here we go, guys. So what we're having now here, guys, is that we went from having a downtrend to establishing on the 1 minute and the 5 minute and the 10 minute an uptrend. Now we just need that uptrend on the 15 minute. And that's why I put my buy stop above this double top here, because this double top was showing that we had... But now if we take out that double top and we fly through here, that means we're going to be activated, right? So if this doesn't come through here, well, then still not there, right? Then we're just consolidating, and that might consolidate to go lower, which is not good. That's not a good thing, right? So what we need to have here is we need to come up into that 20 level, and then potentially come up to our bearish fair value gap here, and then see is it going to be a continuation bearish fair value gap, or it's going to be an inverse fair value gap, right? If it's going to be inverse fair value gap, we're coming all the way up. So yeah. I gotta update the VIP. Chirisu, what are you looking for? What are you looking for? Thank you for the support. Doc, you still here, man? Thank you for the support, bro. I love you guys. This is for you. Oh, sorry. Okay, guys, we're approaching my buy zone again here. We're approaching my buy zone. If we can break through this and come up to our buy stop, that would be where we are gonna head into an uptrend, right? So then you have taken all that profit, you have taken all that liquidity, and the banks and institutions have now entered the market, trying to bait out more sellers here, and then flipping this flipping the table, right? Now let's see if we can come all the way up to that 5,120. Probably we're gonna trail a stop loss 5,118, and then from there, you know, 5,128 is gonna be our first TP, right? But if it keeps rejecting here, guys, that means lower lows, right? Gotta close bullish. Okay. People ready? You guys ready? You guys ready? Still rejecting my buy zone? Still rejecting my buy zone? Okay, we got take we took out this level. It's nice. We tapped it once more. Fuck yeah. Bring on profits to us and let that rock music rip. Yeah. Come on.
Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running?
Come on, guys. We're almost there. We're almost there. And here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We are so close. We are so close. We tapped 95.2. 95.2. We're not quite there yet. Is D1 creating a 3-point trend line? Lowest wick of February 2. Ready? Bond is ready. Nice. Everybody ready? Boom. There we go. We are in. We're in, guys. Let's see. Can we tap 5,118? If we can tap 5,118, then we can trail our stop loss, okay? You're running here. Running here 20 pips, okay? 20 pips so far. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do this. In. Let's go. Everybody should be activated now, even if you have spread. Let's see if we can do it. We need to come up to that 18 level, guys. Once we come up to 18 level, then we have to see if 20 is going to be rejected or if we're going to continue up. From there, we should go up to 30. 30, we have a bearish fair value gap. Either we're going to be rejected and come straight down again, or we're going to make an inverse fair value gap and come up to 5,200. Just hit it until insufficient funds. We either make it or break it. Let's go. That's good, bro. That's good, man. Okay, guys, 6 minutes until the hourly closure. Let's see. So do you see this? Like 5 minutes before the hourly closure, we actually move up. Isn't that crazy? So people are like, oh, the hourly is almost closed. It's gonna close bearish, and then boom, it just flies up, like, because you didn't create a lower low here, right? You didn't create a lower low. You took out the high. Right there. So let's see if we can take out 5,100 and move up to 5,118. 5,118. Okay. Here we go. We are moving. 20 pips. Almost 30 pips. Come on, brother. Bro, do the live more often, please. I am live Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This week, I was not live Tuesday. I was live Monday instead. But you were not there, right? Were you, Chiru? Or was it Monday you were there? Let's see, guys. Let's see how this hourly is gonna close. We're gonna push it up above here. Can we please check day one? Yeah, but Yeah, you are rejecting the 20 EMA. You have a weak fill liquidity. Yes, you have an order block. You tapped into the 100% of the order block. And you tapped into the daily fair value gap as well. Let's see. Love the stream, love the music, and we love your presence. Let's go. Let's go, Cherio. Hopefully this is it, guys. Hopefully this is it. Hopefully this is it. So we are in here, so I don't have to put buy stop anymore. People know. They say should buy. No. 5,196. So let's see. Let's see what happens. Oh, 5,096. 96. There we go. Okay, let's see. Got 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. Until the hourly closure. So far, you are creating higher highs. On the 5 minute, probably you see a closure around here, around like 95, 96. That high was higher than this one. So now what happens is that this turned into becoming what is called support instead of resistance, right? So let's see. 3 minutes. See. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 3 minutes, guys. Push it. Two minutes. So what is it you wanted to see? WY? The week fill liquidity, right? And the daily sweep. That was what you were looking for, right? Okay, guys, we're moving 20 pips again. Jumping back and forward between 96 and 100. 2 minutes. What type of close are we looking for? We are looking for a closure above this previous resistance that now acts as support. If we can close above these 2 wicks, that means on the 15 you are now bullish, on the 5 you're now bullish, on the 1 you're now bullish, and the 30 minutes should fly. If the fly can go above 5,100, that's even better. But for me, I'm okay if we retest 90 again. To be honest, I'm okay if we retest 90 again. But I just don't want it to close the low here, right? So we have 1 minute. Third point on the trend line being rejected, hence the upward move. Yes. Yes. So I was always looking for buys from 5,100 WY. But the thing is, every time price comes down and wicks me out with that long wick there from the institutions, I can't do anything about it, guys. I'm so sorry, but the institutions, the banks, the market makers, the big funds and everything, all these people here, they want better orders. They want better orders. They don't want to buy from 5,100, 5,120. They want to buy here from 5,060. You were right. You were right. I admit you were right, Iris. We came down to 5,060. I just didn't think it would do it, because we already established 5,050 as support. And then we took out 5,100. So we established support above 5,130. So a retest of 5,100 makes sense, but why 70? Why come down to 70 and 60 again? But yeah, we are moving, guys. We're moving. Okay, remember what I said to you. When we hit 18, we can trail a stop loss. Okay? And now you have a fair value gap where we probably can stop coming down from, right? This is your order block now. That turns into support. We closed above it. That's really, really nice. So let's see if we can hold above this. Damn, this Girl Scout music is killing me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, bro. Wait, let me just... I don't know why it's always girls singing. I didn't ask for this. Let's see here. What about this one? Is this still girls music or what? I'm using academic music, bro. It was a little bit your analysis was right, just the market trying to wake out everyone first before the bull run. Exactly. Exactly. Now you got a fair value gap if this is your bottom wick. So I hope that we can hold above this because we closed above it. And we didn't even wick it. We didn't wick it. We had a small, tiny wick. So you came down, you touched again, and now you can flip up and come up. Hey, hello. Nice to see you on live stream. Hope you're doing well. Thank you for the follow. Also, Silly Me, thank you for the follow. Nice to see you on live stream, guys. Let's see if we can take it up. Let's see if we can take it up.
Get shit on, brother.
Sober Piggies, thank you so much for the follow. Nice to see you on live stream. Hope you're doing well. We're currently in a buy, bro. We bought from 5,096, and now we have a fair value gap. And then I want a closure above. I want a closure above 5,110, guys. Imran, I want a closure above 5,110. What is Epidemic Music? Epidemic Music is a platform where you can purchase music for your stream, so that you don't use Spotify and it's copyrighted music. I can't use Spotify, guys, because I get copyright strike, right? So I have to use a feature where I can get non-free copyrighted music, so that at least I can, you know, stream without having any copyright strikes, right? So, but the thing is, you know, there are always ups and downs with these things. Now I don't get copyright strikes. Yes, but at the same time, I have freaking, you know, boring music, right? We're heading that way, bro. Yup. Okay, if we can hold above 5,100, that would be great. See, guys? Yes, I told you I was okay with hitting 90 again. It's okay for me. 96 again. 96 was right there. We entered at 96, guys. 96 is right there. So since we closed above, we got a fair value gap, we came down, we filled that fair value gap, then I'm very, very fine. Very, very okay. I'm gonna buy stops at the break of 30 wick high to avoid being faked out. That's good, Leon. Linton, sorry. Linton. You think this is a faker? You think this could potentially go all the way down again? And see what happens, guys. We came down, we tapped the previous wicks here. So this was your previous high, right? This was your previous resistance, now acting as support. If this is the bottom wick, that would be amazing. Let's see. Came down to 92. Tap 90 again, guys. Tap 89 again. Let's see. Back down at this order block here, guys. Good thing we have stop loss down below here. We have stop loss down here, guys, at 80. Just below here, right? So you should respect it. I'm out. You're out. Stop loss is 5,080. Sure. Let's see if it comes out and takes us all out. Let's see. Hopefully it's gonna hold it. We haven't hit the stop loss, guys. We're still okay. Let's see. Maybe it hits the stop loss. Let's see. Gonna put it just below here. Just below this wick here. Just below this wick, okay? Just below this wick. Right there, just below. Just to cover this order block, guys. Just to cover the order block, okay? It's not because I want to stretch my stop loss. It's just because I want to protect us from this order block. Okay? Let's see. What happens? Is this really a huge fake out on the 15 minute? Are you seriously gonna fake me out like that again? But we tap 79.8. 79.8 guys. We have our stop loss here at 78. If it comes down, takes it out, and it continues down, then yeah, then that's crazy. That's crazy, bro. Are you gonna hit stop loss again? 78.8. My stop loss is here, 78. Takes out 78, I'm out. There it is. I don't know, guys. It's, yeah. Wow. I think I'm done trading this month, maybe. Or this week at least. I'm not sure. It seems very, very manipulative. You grab that liquidity.
Get shit on, brother.
Hey, black goat. What's happening with gold? I don't know. I don't know, bro. Like, I have no idea. We're not holding the levels. This, let me just see here. Are we holding? We're still holding the 4 hour though. Let's go to the daily, guys, again. I still think it's gonna hold it. I just think it's gonna sweep all these stop losses again and again and again. Do you honestly think this is just gonna continue down? Bro, where, Dino? Just stop, bro. Just stop. You honestly think, Dino, this is just gonna continue down? You think we're gonna become bearish on gold suddenly? When there's war, when there's tension, when there's geopolitical tension, when USD is printing money again and again and again, we have huge debt, USD debt. Guys, like, wait, sorry. Still have 38.40 trillion, and it's increasing 2.23 trillion per year. Gold is gonna go to 8,500. I'm telling you. Opus, are you still part of the economy? No, I'm not. I'm not. I'm not zero. I'm not quitting. I'm not quitting. I'm just saying that I think maybe this week I'm done with the trading. And if I'm done for this month, it's not because I want to quit. It's just because when I go on live stream on Twitch and I hit stop losses, people are gonna freak out on me and tell me that, you know, that I lost their money and everything. But I can't control this, guys. I really can't control this. We should have been good here. We swept this low. We were holding the 20 EMA. You got really strong level here, like exceptionally strong level here. And then when you swept it, you should flip and come up. But maybe it happens tomorrow. We're still holding the 20 EMA. See, you're pulling up again, like you're at 80 now. I ate steak from your streams with 20 bucks turning into 120, 170. Bro, the people that says that has no risk management, I lost $200 and that was not your fault, it was my own. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna wait. Gonna wait for these wicks to be done. I don't see this as a red day. Not at all. Not at all. I see this as a stop loss grabbing day. Stop loss grabbing day. I think this is gonna